Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Sara Salas, and I'm saying hello from this wonderful city of Avignon, France. And today we're starting the World Congress of the FUE Institute. And this is a congress that is every year, and experts from all over the world are talking about this technique that the name is FUE, that stands for follicular unit excision. This is one of the techniques that we have in hair restoration, and it's where we extract follicular unit per follicular unit. So, and we're here giving talks representing Mexico, and we're so proud of this. And let me show you in front. I am in front of this beautiful building, as you can see here. And this is the place where we're gonna have our annual meeting. This is an amazing building that is one of the most important buildings in the medieval Gothic buildings in Europe, and this was the house of the Pope in the 14th century. So we're so blessed that we're having our annual meeting in this such an amazing building that is an icon, a very important building in Europe. So we're gonna be in touch, and thank you for your support, thank you for your trust, and see you soon.